What's up, you lovely bunch? So you join me yet again in front of another Mini. Look at this. Our latest giveaway competition Mini. And yes, it's a 1275 supercharged 1275. Look at this colour. He's called Charlie, and just look at it. It's got my favourite aftermarket wheels that they do on a Mini, which are called StarMags. For those who don't know, lots of chrome in all of the usual places. An absolutely stunning walnut dash with boost gauge, white dials with rev counter, a Cooper motor litre steering wheel. I think this is an Equinox interior. No, is it? I think Sam. I can't remember what it is, but obviously continues the purple theme. As always, this car is freshly built. I think it's done about 1,000 miles. It's been totally restored. Love the Group 4 arches, really cool. Fuel filler cap. Just look at this car. Power off switch as well for security, which is nice. This is how it's arrived, so I've not actually cleaned it off yet, but it's absolutely mint as always. Machine underneath, all new subframes, all adjustable suspension. It's got gas shock absorbers, same as Dudley and a few others that we've had recently. Just look at this colour. I can't remember the exact shade, but it is a form of purple, and it is a flat, as you can see, like a matte colour with a black roof. Obviously the black arches. I'd be tempted to do the StarMags in black, but again, as always, I like to leave something for the new owners to do, make it their own. I personally would change this interior, but it's absolutely mint, so there's no reason why you would have to, or would indeed want to. It's just another absolutely immaculate Mini. Well, the headline is in good condition. It's obviously been well put together. Just so you're all aware as well, there was bills totaling. There are bills totaling over £16,000 for this bill, for this build. And why, hello. It's a totally standard 1275 engine. It's been rebuilt and then has a supercharger kit with a front mounted F44 carb and K&N air filter. Obviously sounds like you'd expect it to. Again, there's things that you could do to put to sort of make it more racy as such. Add a quick shifter, which I'd always recommend on any performance Mini, because they are absolutely amazing. What else to say about this car, really? I think it speaks for itself. We'll just start it for you. So again, taking off the truck, put it in the barn overnight. Just moved out to photograph it. video. Just listen to it. Just look at the condition. It's had some serious money spent on it. Obviously with the ground up rebuild. So new floors, new front end, new rear valance, new boot floor, new door skins. It also has a spare bonnet, which I'll add on to the end of here, which has got vents, cooling vents cut into it, which looks absolutely mental. So that will come with the car as well. And of course, the all important supercharged 1275 engine, plus all adjustable suspension, upgraded alloys, X, Y, and Z. Just look at it. As always, people, open offer is 72 hours only, so take advantage. Low odds, 1,275 tickets, $14.99 opening offer. That is live for 72 hours, and as always, if it sells out in the 72 hours, I will draw it. So go take advantage of the savings. And is this going to be the 33rd, yes, 33rd Classic Mini that we've given away. Charlie is one of the best yet. www.ukminis.co.uk to get in the mix if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, or hit the link on the screen on Instagram and Facebook. I wish you all luck. This is the other bonnet that I mentioned. Obviously needs a clean because it's been in storage, but just have a look at how mean that's going to look on the car.